The question came up yesterday about how to share your recording links in Neuro. So I'm going to show you a couple of options that you have. And the first option is finding that link directly inside your Neuro classroom. If you'll go to Files, find the folder called Recordings, and then find the recording that you want to share and click on it so that it's highlighted. Once you click on it, then what you're going to do is go up here to the little picture. It looks like a link. Click on it. And if your link sharing is not on, you want to be sure that you click it on. Once it's on, you're going to copy your link. Now, once you have that link, you're going to notice that it's really long. So the best thing to do would be to go to tinyurl, and then you can just take that link and paste it in here and make it much smaller. And there you have it. So that is one way that you can do it. Another way would be to go directly from your OLS. So you can go into your OLS and find the recording that you want. So I'm going to click on it. And when I click on it, it's going to download right here at the bottom, but I don't want to open it. I'm doing all this in Google Chrome, so I want to go up, and in the top right-hand corner, there are three dots. I click on those three dots. Remember, I'm in Google Chrome. Click on the three dots, and where it says Downloads, click Downloads, and here is the recording I just downloaded. So I want to right-click, copy the link address. Again, I can go over to tinyurl, paste the link in the box, and get a much smaller link. And there is my tinyurl.